Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Mihal's Olive Waffle Top. Over here we got the boat neckline, got the washing explanation, no bleach, low iron, hang dry, and wash below 40 Celsius. There's a nice zipper in the back that goes all the way down to like mid-back. The sleeves are lace, it's stretchy lace too, and then cuffed at the sleeve, and then the bottom is just loose. So let me go ahead and try it on to see what it looks like. So usually waffle tops are quite comfortable, and this is as well, but they're usually not elegant. This one I would say is like an elegant waffle top, which is definitely different. I mean, the sleeves, nice, flowy. It actually feels quite luxurious. Love that it's stretchy, so you don't feel constricted. You know, waffle tops are meant to be comfortable. So, and it's also not constricting here, everything is loose. To purchase it, there's a link below, but for more product reviews, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.